guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, after I did that countertop, I got a little bit, I think I had some, might have been some fumes. I had the windows open, but I had migraine for days. I'm sorry, pardon my absence, but these are some leftover colors. They're the sheleeart recipe, and I am going to do something I did a long time ago. I'm going to do a flip cup. So I've got lots and lots of colors here. I'll just put them on the screen as I pour them, because it's really, there's so many of them. Yeah, they're pretty thick. So we'll see how this works out. Usually with a flip cup, they have to be a little bit thinner, but we'll work with it. So I'm gonna start with some, whatever's on the bottom will be on the top. So I'm gonna start with some cell activator in white. That's a good amount. And then this greenish blue. And then, oh, rubber. It's a mystery color. That's psych. Crap. And now I'm going to put some black cell activator right next to the unicorn, because it's really pretty. And maybe that is periwinkle. Not periwinkle. Jeez, peeps. That's pinwheel. So next to that, I'm gonna put some of this yellowish green, and then some more white cell activator, wool rubber, and I'm going to top it off with, so this is going to be on the bottom. I don't know if that's going to look right. Some gold. I might put a little gold on the canvas as well. So I'm going to flood my canvas with a little, I just covered everything with press and seal. That's multi-pro. Okay, so I'm going to put my cup aside here. Whoa, Wilbur. Let me just, better idea. There might be a few bubbles in here too, because I just mixed the paints. I mean, I mixed them up a couple weeks ago, but I just remixed them. This is a 10 by 10 Art Smith from Joann Fabrics. Joann's is going out of business. Are you kidding me? I don't know if I'm going to spin this or not, but I've got it on the spinner just in case. Okay, so I am going to flip this. Oh, no, I don't need gold on there. We're just going to let it seep down. Hi, Finny. What you doing up so late? I did one of these a long time ago. Oh my God, it turned out so, I call it my Karen piece. Because I had such cool lacing in it. It was just awesome. So we'll see what happens here. Interesting colors. I don't know if I want to pull it straight up or do a, I don't know what I'm going to do. Per usual, like I said, these paints are super thick. As a matter of fact, it's buckling here. That's kind of funny. So it's got the suction is pulling it down. Oh my Lanta. Very cool. Wow. Usually you do this with a, wow, that green is really taken over. Usually you do this with not the sheleeart like you do with Floetrol, but I like what it does. Very cool. I should have put some pink in there. Well, it might show up with the pinwheel that I call periwinkle. Let's spin. Do we want to keep that negative space? I don't know. I don't think so. I need paint to have it move. Wow. I'm like the oh, you know what? It's getting all funky. Funky runky. Funky runky? Let's call Webster on that one. Yeah, I can see the unicorn like crazy. It's beautiful. Now, do I want to do something else to this? I'm not sure. Try and spin it again. Corner is still on there. You know what? I'm gonna cheat. Here we go. There are some amazing colors. I just love this part right there. Looks like a gemstone. This whole thing looks like a gemstone. I'm gonna give it another torch real quick because there's still oh, I'm loving this one. Hell yeah. Now you could do like a balloon kiss or something, but I think I like it the way it is. There's still when I'm popping these bubbles, there's color coming up underneath. So they're like teeny tiny, minuscule, micro cells. All right, I'm gonna take you down for a close-up. I'm gonna stop the paint right now, and by doing this to the edges, that keeps the composition. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I love it. You know, and tomorrow I'll probably say, ew, yuck. That happens. I know, I love the colors. Really love the colors. I'm not gonna bother doing anything else to this because I'm really liking it. All right, I'm gonna take you down for a close-up. All right, guys. Wow. I haven't done a flip cup in a long time. This is what I'm talking about right there. That's a gem. The green is a little bit strong, but it's not taking over. I always love green and blue together anyways. Wow. Let me know what you think. There we go. That's better. See that, unicorn, I just love it. Hey buddy, what are you doing? Hey guys, here's the dried result. Now, this looks to me like labradite, and it is going to get a coat of resin. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love how it just, look at that. Unicorn. So, I'm actually moving again. Condo living is not for me. I bought a house. I'm under contract, so I'll be packing, and in the interim, I will be doing some probably alcohol inks because they're kind of easy to do and easy to pack up. But I have to pack up all my stuff again. Anyhow, yeah, it's been a journey, that's for sure. Yeah, and those damn movers that I hired to come up to Michigan, they gave me $274 for breaking 20 of my items. Cross-country movers. Wouldn't do that again. No, U-Haul is best. I can laugh about it anyway. All right, ciao for now. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe.